Hey guys, back with another video. I started the process of picking up an order that, excuse me, that was requested. I don't know why this keep going out. Hold for 1 second. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I put the time in that I'm going to pick it up. So I'm going to press the buttons, send the message to the customer, and there it is. So that's another process. You click the button, then you hit the next step. It will give the person's address. Next step, it tells you where it is. Next step, when you get there, you're going to snap a picture, and then it tells you the next step. After you get there tomorrow, I snap the picture. You're going to put how many bags, and then you're going to complete the pickup. Now once I get there tomorrow, I will show you the pickup process. Guys, we're on our way to pick up the laundry order. So here we go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey guys, I hope you guys can see me. I done picked up the laundry, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog now because you guys have seen me, wash and sort the laundry. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you get a request for laundry. So you guys be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video.